a warrior and a dragon, their bond a sacred union. Wings of fury, heart of gold, a friendship to behold. Through battles fought and skies they flown, a warrior and their dragon forever known. From the ashes they arose, a bond that forever grows. Through trials faced and tears they cried, their loyalty side by side. Wings of fury, heart of gold, a friendship to behold. Through battles fought and skies they've flown, a warrior and their dragon forever known. Forever known. From the ashes they arose, a bond that forever grows. Through trials faced and tears they cried, their loyalty side by side. Wings of fury, heart of gold, a friendship to behold. Through battles fought and skies they've flown, a warrior and their dragon forever known. In each other they confide,